Good morning, students of class 10th. Welcome you all in this video. In this video, we will discuss line by line explanation of the second part of The Trump of Surgery. As you know, the main character of this story is Mrs. Pamprey, Tricky, and James Harriet, who is a veterinary doctor. Now, at the surgery, the household dog surged round me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes. When put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing round him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. Now, in this paragraph, it has been described when Tricky reached there, what was the reaction of other dogs? They sniffed him, and after that, they thought that he means the Tricky was an uninterested object, and they means the other dogs ignored him. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. I means the narrator, James Harriet, who is the veterinary doctor. He made a bed for Tricky in a loose box next to the other dogs. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. For 2 days, he didn't give any food, only water is given to him. At the end of his second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper. When he heard the dogs in the yard. For 2 days, there was no reaction, and on the third day, he became active when he heard the sounds of the other dogs in the yard. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Trotted means unable to walk properly, and was immediately engulfed by Joe the greyhound. Joe is the name of the greyhound and his friend. Now, when the narrator opened the door, Trick came out, and immediately he was surrounded by other dogs and his friends. After rolling him over through inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat, and now he also started to move. And Tricky followed them. Them means the other dogs who were there. Later that day, I was present at feeding time. Later it was the feeding time. I watched while Tristan slopped the food into the bowls. There was the usual headlong rush, followed by the sound of high-speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meal. Because it was the feeding time, all dogs became very active, because they knew very well if they will be fallen behind, the other will take, and they will unable to find anything. Now see next. When they finished, Tricky took a walk. As you can see in the picture, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling. Jostling means pushing his way towards it. And now, next day, another bowl was kept there for Tricky, and the narrator was very happy to see that Tricky was also jostling his way towards the bowl. From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medical treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs. Now he became active, and he lived with other dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmage. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, trampled on, and squashed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew. fighting like a tiger for his share at mealtime. Now his behavior became normal. He also started to fight for the meal, and he was like a tiger and took his share at mealtime, hunting rats in an old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. This is the first time when he had to struggle for his meal. All the while, Mrs. Pemprey hovered anxiously in the background. Now, what was the condition of Miss Pemprey? It has been described. She was very much worried, and she calls dozen times in a day to find the latest news from her dog. I dozed the questions about whether his cushions were being turned regularly or his correct coat worn according to the weather. And he asked many questions about cushions and coat and weather, but I was able to tell her that the little fellow was out of danger and recovering. And now the narrator told her that Tricky was recovering very fast. The word convulsing seemed to do something to Mrs. Pemprey. She started to bring round fresh eggs, 209 fresh eggs, 2 dozen at a time, to build up Tricky's strength. For a happy period, my partners and I had 2 eggs each for breakfast. Now, Mrs. Pemprey started to send a dozen eggs for Tricky, and now the narrator and his partners also enjoyed. Each one of them has 2 eggs for the breakfast, but when the bottles of wine begin to arrive, the real possibilities of the situation begin to dawn on the household. So, students, I think you are able to understand this. Thank you, students.